What's up guys, Fresco VK live here at Stadium Goods and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. I got a special unboxing look for you guys today and this one is early, so we're taking a look at the Yeezy 350 Yeezreel. I know y'all want to see what that looks like. Say less or all this talking, let's get straight to these shoes. We close out 2019, of course, with another pair of Yeezy 350. So we got the box top right here. And please let me know what you guys think in the comments, because these, green's one of my favorite colors, but these kind of mirror another 350. But here we have the Yeezy 350 Yeezreel. So right here throughout the upper, you'll see the, classic now Adidas Prime knit that you'll find in most Yeezy 350 styles. And also throughout the upper, this one is slightly different from the mass release one that's set to come. This one features a full 3M throughout the entire upper. So it glows apparently in multiple ways. So it glows throughout the upper and also through hits of the midsole. I believe that there's glow throughout this entire shoe. And of course it features the mainstay in the Yeezy 350 series being the Boost midsole outsole. So you'll see the full Boost throughout the outsole here and a slightly darker shade of neon as opposed to the lighter or softer shade of neon that goes throughout the upper. You'll see black detailing also in the prime knit patterns. So the featured laces do not contain 3M. I know a lot of the various Yeezy styles contain 3M laces, but as I just mentioned, the entire upper of the shoe features the 3M. We have the translucent stripe right there on the outer panel. We have the 3 stripes there just in the back pull tab or just above the back pull tab, and the back pull tab is neon with a peach stitch that runs through the neon. And just in case you guys haven't heard, Stadium Goods is opening up a brand new shop in Chicago, Chi-Town. What up? We are coming through to the town, so Stadium Goods will be opening in Chicago in 2020. But as we get back to the Yeezy 350 Yeezreel, please let me know in the comments what you think of these and what is your favorite Yeezy 350 of 2019. Either way, we have these along with multiple other Yeezy 350 styles right here at Stadium Goods, and we're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, so please feel free to pull up. Thank you guys for liking and sharing all of our videos on Facebook, YouTube, and now of course Instagram TV. Please make sure you guys download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. Follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms, and do not forget to check out Stadium Women. And last but not least, if you have any questions or inquiries regarding anything Stadium Goods, please feel free to visit stadiumgoods.com. I am Fresco VK, and salud.